What the fuck just happened, bro? You were kicked from this experience. You have been banned for 21 days. Reason response flagged? Like, what is this? What does response flagged mean, bro? Like, dude, what? See if I can if I can join the main game. I think I can join the main game. Yeah, okay. I can join the main game. Yo, what? What is this? Hallo, ich bin Hans. Something for real. My Okay, so I'm not banned off the main game. Which is good, but I got banned off the testing server, bro. Yo, what? I'm 60 HP. What is this? Bro had so much. Okay. I'm gonna leave. Oh shit, 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 oh shit. Yeah, I think I'm dead, but like, oh crap. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. I'm leaving this game, bro. Okay, so I think I got banned off the workshop here. Let me see. There's no way I can still join, right? Banned for 21 days, bro. What is this? What is this, bro? Okay. I'm in the video there.